Hello, pre-calculus students. Let's solve some problems. Let's do problem number, I don't know what number this is. I think it's the last one. But there's a mistake on here. That may be a reason why some of you couldn't figure out how to write it out. So anyway, here we go. It says from the bottom of a building. Yes, it says top. That was a mistake. This should say from the foot of a building. I think the wording actually says from the foot of a building. That was a mistake. So let's draw our building. Okay, so from the foot of the building, and look upwards at an angle of 22 degrees to sight the top of a tree. So here's our tree over here. And I'm going to look upward at an angle of 22 degrees. So that's 22 here. Alright, there's our picture so far. From the building, from the top of the building, 150 meters above ground. So this is 150 meters. That's a sad 150. Let's make that 150. Above ground, I have to look down at an angle of depression of 50 degrees. So I'm going to do this. Angle of depression is here, looking down from the top. This is 50 degrees here. And look, another triangle. We have a triangle here, triangle here. I think that's all I have. It says, how tall is the tree? You probably say, what in the world are we looking at? This one is interesting. Let's walk through it. I'm going to label this. See how I did this? I label this D. I label this B. I label this H. And just from this, I can write out some expressions. And you're really going to be setting up a system of trig equations. So from this one, I can set up tangent of 22 equals B over D. And from this one, I can set up, because that's also D, I can set up tangent of 50 is equal to H over D as well. And so what I'll do here, and something else I have that B plus H is equal to 150. Okay, that's all I know. And basically I'm writing out some systems of equations. I'm going to combine these two. And you'll see what I'm talking about here. I'm going to combine those into this expression, because basically I'm going to take this and solve it for B. I'm going to take this and solve it for H. Then I'm going to have an expression plus another expression equals 150 just in terms of D. And you'll see this. This is fun. So let's take this first one over here and solve it. I'm going to take tangent of 22 equals B over D. And I want to solve this for, what did I say, B? So I'm just going to multiply everything by D. So I'm going to have D tangent of 22 equals B. Alright, so far. And over here, the same thing. Let's just do this. I want to multiply both sides by D. So I'm going to have D tangent of 50 equals H. Now look at this. I have some expression equal to H, some expression equal to B. I'm just going to plug it in here. So B is D tangent of 22. That should be here. Let's do this. Draw an arrow. And now plus H which is this expression here. It's going to be D tangent of 50 equals 150. You can solve this. Say what? How do you solve this? Easy. I can factor out D here. If I factor out D, I'm left with tangent 22 plus tangent of 50, and then that's equal to 150, and then we're there. Since I'm solving for D in this case, I'm just trying to find any of the variables so I can plug them back in. I'm going to divide both sides by all of this. Tangent 22 plus tangent of 50, which is just a number. And I'm going to do this on the other side. I'll write all this out. Tangent 22 plus tangent of 50. And I did the calculation earlier. And if I do this, I'll write it over here. D equals 93.9979, and I'm just going to round it to nearest whole number just for simplicity. So D is 94. So now all I have to do is plug this into either expression to find the other one. So if I plug in D here into this expression, it's going to be 94 times tangent of 22 equals B. If I plug this D into this expression, I have 94 times tangent of 50 equals H. And I have everything I need, but really, let me see if I do. So if I plug it in for, where did I get here? My H is 112, and my B is 38. And let's make sense of it. Notice this is 38, which is B. 112 is H. If I add 38 plus 112, it gives me 150. My D is 94. Let's answer the question. How tall is the tree? The tree is the value for B. So my tree is 38 feet. How far from the building is the tree? That's D, and D is 94. I really didn't need H, but why not? And that's it. Hopefully this helps. You can watch this 100 times until you get it, but that's it. See ya.